natin guys, si Ma'am Beth Madayag. Ayan, si Ma'am Beth Madayag. Laki na ng bahay ni Ma'am Beth Madayag guys, no? Ayan, so still playing Little Chef, a little bit more. Chris Corbita TV. Ayan, thank you so much kay Chris Corbita TV. Hello po, kamusta po? Ayan, okay naman po. Ikaw po, kamusta ka po? 7 million, maraming salamat. Ko naka-live ako. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Eric connected from Little Chef. Ayan, Chris Corbita Dan from Hunted Nature Tales. Ayan, Sisi Ami, thank you so much. Binablock dito si Ma'am si Ma'am Beth Madayag binablock. Ayan, done tayo kay Little Chef, guys. I'm done with Little Chef. Nag-ads pa. With ads, Little Chef. Amika Bulgera, OTW from Hunted Nature Tales. Hunted, don't forget to put a comment and share for their, for their channel, ha? Para matandaan ka, mabalikan ka. Joe Fandin Vlog, thank you so much. Hi Kripa, done to your chamchen. Already connected before. Ayan, from Ma'am Saide. Okay, done tayo kay... kay Little Chef, guys. Okay. Little Chef, done to you. Bro Eric, done sa yung tongue twister na pinitik-pitik ni Pakita. Ayan. Pinitik-pitik ni Pakita. Ayan. Dito tayo kay Ma'am Beth Madayag. Hinaharang kasi ako doon sa Ayan. Dito tayo kay Miss Beth. Kay Ma'am Beth. Sige po, sabi ni Hunted Nature Tales. Still playing tayo dito kay Kisses Katapang kasi 13 minutes. Ayan, puntahan natin si Ma'am Saide. Kasi ang puntahan ko kanina sa kanya ay short video. Ayan, so dito tayo sa 3 minutes. Grabe, first time ko manalo ng ganito kalaki. Wow! Who wants to be a millionaire? Ay, ang galing. May ganun pala yun, madam. Ano to, ma'am? Game up? Winner game, who wants to be a millionaire gaming video. Ayan. So, Ma'am Beth, 85 likes po dito. Ma'am Beth Madayag. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone. Ayan guys. Bro Rider, maraming salamat. Okay, kakaon kada mayo sang panyaga mo. Ayan. Sabi ni Rider Onyx. Ayan. Langga, standby lunch time. Sabi ni Ma'am Saidi, ayan, sige kaon lang. Ma'am, ikaw nga magtang-twist. Nabubulol lang ako. Thanks so much, guys. Sabi ni Ma'am Saidi, ayan. Maprotikol na ako sinaya, mami, ha. Hindi ko mag-challenge tang twister kaya hindi ko nakabalo. Lugi. Wait lang, guys, may call, ha.